Assalamu alaikum guys. This is Nadra from Working Girl Cooks. How are you? Hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah. Guys, today in my Ramadan special, I'm sharing the recipe of peri bites, which is also called chilios. They are very popular in Ramadan. When your taste buds are looking for something exceptional at iftar time, try these peri bites. They are full of flavor with the spicy chicken and gooey cheese sauce with crunchy coating. Guys, I will prepare it in 3 steps. So step by step I will share the ingredients with you so it will be easy for you to understand. In first step, I will marinate the chicken and grill it for stuffing. Let's check the ingredients. 2 chicken breast, white vinegar 1 tablespoon, yogurt 1 tablespoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, freshly grated black pepper 1 teaspoon, garlic powder or freshly grated garlic half teaspoon, salt half teaspoon. I will marinate chicken with all these spices. Here you can see I cut the chicken in broad strips. Now I will mix it well and leave it overnight for good marination. Guys, if you want to cook early, then at least give 30 to 40 minutes for absorb all the spices in chicken. Let's move to the next step. Let's check the ingredients to make cheese sauce. Cheese 150 gram. Here I am using organic cheese. You can use mozzarella or cheddar cheese. Milk 1/4 cup. Butter 1 tablespoon. Freshly grated black pepper half teaspoon. Garlic powder half teaspoon. Salt 1/4 teaspoon. Here I am using large chilies. They are not very hot but flavor is amazing. If you like extra hot, you can use jalapeno. Here it's an optional. You can use raw chili, but I will put it in boiling water and take it out after a minute and pat to dry on kitchen towel. Let's make cheese sauce. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon oil before butter, so butter will be not burnt. All the way flame will be low. Now butter started melting. It's a time to add garlic and mix it well. Now here goes cheese in it. Give a good mix to combine everything together. Now here goes milk in it. Keep mixing and let the cheese melt in it. Now I will add salt and pepper and mix well. Guys, keep mixing, otherwise cheese will be burnt. For me, it's a right consistency. I will let it cool down. Then I will fill it in a piping bag. It's a time to grill the chicken. I'm using grilled pan. You can use skillet or tawa. But make sure grilled pan or tawa should be hot. Don't put chicken in oven, otherwise chicken will release juices and flavor, and even it won't be juicy. Just grease the pan and grilled chicken strip on high heat 1 minute from each side and chicken would be ready. Now it's the time to deseeded the chilies. Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For coating, here I am using plain flour, breadcrumb and 4 eggs. I will crack 2 eggs at a time. Let's start stuffing. First goes chicken in it. Then cheese sauce. Don't worry about the sauce. When we will roll the chili on the plain flour, it will be sealed. Here I will show you coating process with one chili. Then I will do rest of the chili. First roll the chili on plain flour. Then give egg wash. Then coat it with breadcrumbs. After that, again dip the chili in egg mixture. Then breadcrumbs coating, and again egg wash and breadcrumbs coating. That's mean one coating would be with plain flour to seal the chili, and 3 coatings to make the coating crunchy and crispy. Now one of the chili's coating is ready. In this way I will do the rest of the chili and show you. Now you can see chilies are ready. Now I will put them in freezer for 2 hours. Then I will fry them. Now is the time to fry the chilies. Make sure oil should be very hot, and we will fry the chili from both sides just for 1 to 2 minutes and our peri bites will be ready. Here is crispy and crunchy peri bites or chilios. I hope it will draw your attention to include it in your iftar menu. Thanks for watching. See you next time with another Ramzan special recipe. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and comments. See you next time. Till then, take care, be safe. Allah Hafiz.